Submersible pumps are the heart in processes where liquids are moved. For example, in sewage disposal and in sewage treatment plants. An optimized motor is very reliable, especially for submersible pumps in dry sump installation. It ensures an uninterruptible operation in all situations. Modern pumps provide a safe transport of the sewage from households and industry to the sewage treatment plant. Here we see the new motor in series production. During the installation of the magnetic coupling, the installation of the upper bearing on the rotor pack, and the assembly of the complete unit. Therefore, a reliable internal motor cooling system is the key for increasing the process security. According to a comprehensive market survey showing us the trend, the design department of the company Wilo EMU has succeeded in providing a driving system which completely meets the requirements. This is the new HC motor series, self-cooling motors with a hermetically tight ecological cooling system. The heated monopropylene glycol filling is permanently transported to the heat exchanger through a channel. We see how the heat of the motor is absorbed and passed on by the cooling liquid, which is transported through the cooling flange. The cooled medium is pumped back into the motor chamber through a second channel and the cooling cycle closes. The new cooling system has been optimized by numeric methods, which considerably increases its efficiency. A maximum heat exchange is guaranteed, even in case of a low temperature of the cooling agent. The complete system is no longer connected with the dynamic mechanical shaft seals, but is just statically sealed by O-rings. The distance between locating lower bearing and impeller could be kept small because the drive for the circulation of the cooling agent was placed at the top of the motor. The circulation of the cooling agent is the job of the impeller, driven by a magnetic coupling. A magnet of samarium cobalt screwed on the drive shaft transmits a torque to the hysteresis ring via the stainless steel spacer can, which separates motor chamber and cooling chamber in a leakage-free way. This material is structured in a way that the starting torque of the drive is transferred not only synchronously, but also asynchronously. With this, the permanent drive of the cooling agent impeller is guaranteed. Because the motor is designed as a two-chamber system, it has a separate sealing chamber. Thus, the slide surfaces of the two seals are perfectly cooled and lubricated. In case of an increased leakage through the first mechanical shaft seal, the water penetration is controlled. After a defined leakage quantity is reached, we have the possibility to either switch off the motor or send a warning via an intelligent warning system. The communication can be made via a GSM mobile network. In this case, an SMS is sent, controlled by a web server or linked with other bus systems. From there, the motor can be restarted. If liquid penetrates through the second mechanical shaft seal, the leakage will be led into a separate chamber. A float switch controls the filling capacity in this chamber and triggers a signal if a specified filling level is reached. This also guarantees the monitoring of the second mechanical shaft seal. The motor switches off. Then, another message is sent via the intelligent warning system. In this condition, the motor cannot be restarted by a signal. Now it is necessary to check the motor to avoid a major damage. Submersible pumps of the company EMU contribute to a clean environment. We guarantee an optimum sewage treatment plant operation and make a contribution to keep the inshore waters clean and maintain health. It is a long way from the produced sewage via the sewage treatment plant to our rivers and seas. Let's go this way together with the new submersible motor technology.